Hey guys, welcome to 2.2 ratios and 2.3 rates and unit rates. Your two objectives here are you will be able to write ratio examples in all three forms, and you will be able to give examples of rates and write rates as unit rates. Alright, so a ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. We have three forms. We have got colon form. So let's say like 5:7. Then we have fraction form, which would be 5/7. Then we have word form. Oh, that's really slow. Then we have word form, which would be 5, the word 2, T-O, 7. All right, these are the three forms: colon, fraction, and word. So we're comparing the two numbers or two quantities. Remember, the quantity is the amount of something in the form of a number. All right, so there's two types of ratios. There's part-to-part and there's part-to-whole ratio. So let's start part-to-part. So part-to-part is where you're comparing one part to another part. So right here we have tennis shoes and sandals here, or flip-flops. So let's compare tennis shoes first to flip-flops. So we have 4 pairs of tennis shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of flip-flops. So let's write it, let's label our work here. So 4 pairs of Nikes, we'll say that. To 6 pairs of flip-flops. Okay, so right there, that is the colon form. You can do colon ratio, colon fraction, or word form. So we could say 4 pairs of Nikes to 6 pairs of flip-flops, or we could do 4 pairs of Nikes over 6 pairs of flip-flops. Now, when we are comparing ratios, it may say that it wants your answer in simplest form. So 3 would look at these two numbers. So we would look at 4 and we would look at 6. Is there a number that we can easily divide 4 and 6 both by? That is correct. It would be 2. So the simplified version of this, get a different color here, would be, we would have divide 4 by 2 and divide 6 by 2. Would be 2 pairs of Nikes to 3 pairs of flip-flops. Okay? Or we could do it like this. Let's see if we can do it like this. Oops. So 2 pairs of Nikes, 2 3 pairs of flip-flops. Okay, all right, so this is the part-to-whole ratio. So we're going to compare Carmex to all lip care. So we know that we're comparing Carmex to all lip care. So we're doing Carmex. So we have 2 we have 2 Carmex. So since this is part-to-whole, we're taking part of this whole set, which is the Carmex, and we're putting it to all lip care. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of lip care. It was really sloppy, sorry. Okay, so there's 2 Carmex, there's 6 lip gloss. If we were doing part-to-part, we could do Carmex to lip gloss, or we could do lip gloss to Carmex, or if we were doing part-to-whole, we could also do lip gloss to all lip care, which would be 6 to 8. Okay, so make sure you read the directions. If it says part-to-part, then it would just be Carmex to lip gloss, but it's part-to-whole, so it's Carmex to all lip care. That's why it's 2 to 8. Now we can also simplify this by dividing both 2 and 8 by 2. So that's the GCF of 2 and 8. So we would have 1 Carmex there we go. 1 Carmex, 2 for every 6, my goodness, for every 6 pieces of lip care. Okay. All right, a rate is a ratio comparing two quantities with different kinds of units. So it would be like, I listen to 19 songs in 5 minutes, or I run 5 miles in 2 hours. So that would be like 5 over 2, 5 miles over 2 hours. Okay, that's what a rate is. A unit rate is a rate that is simplified so that it has a denominator of 1. So like 12 miles for every 1 hour, or 12 miles per hour. Or it's $5.20 for 1 bag of Doritos. So it would look like $5.20 over 1 bag of Doritos. Okay? Your denominator has to be 1. So it's like 3 apples for $1, or $6 for every 1 pumpkin. Okay? So it's per something, per bag, per hour, per dollar. Make sure that your denominator is 1. That's how it is a unit rate. It's over 1. So it's like per unit, or per item, or per dollar. All right, this is your exit slip or exit question. If Dante wants to buy a package of Oreos and there is a sale for 2 packages for $8, how much is 1 package? So show that to me in your answer as a unit rate. Make sure that your denominator is 1. All right. I will see you guys next time in class. Bye, guys.